Hey everyone, Steve Kozlowski, Century 21. It is October now. We're heading into the last quarter of 2023. Where we are real estate wise is in the last month, to give you an update, is we've been completely flat on all accounts. We've been flat on buyer demand, we've been flat on inventory of homes, and we've been flat with median sale price, plus or minus, a few percentage points. But overall, it's a little bit slower than we've seen in months past. The wave of inventory that we were seeing, from say, start of summer to now has increased. But what we've seen in the last month has that rate of increase has really died off, and we are pretty flat. We have the same amount of homes for sale now than we did at the start of the month in September. So something to pay attention to. We're heading into, the last quarter. Let's see if the days on the market continue to increase. That has been a trend since 2021. We've seen that continue to go up. It's just taking a little bit longer to sell, less buyer demand, obviously, with the rates hovering at the highest we've seen in years. So once we, see how that unfolds, that'll be a determining factor of how this market changes. In other news, this is a good perspective to look at it. If you're looking at buying right now, this is fantastic. Homes are sitting a little bit longer. You're not having to pay over asking price. If the rates do fall, like all the experts are saying, whenever that will be, whether that's quarter one, quarter two, sometime next year, or even tail end of this year, if that happens, what do you think is going to happen to our inventory, right? All this pent up demand, inventory goes back down, and the prices start shooting back up. That's all hypothetical. Who knows how it'll all pan out? But what I'm getting at is, if you're buying right now, it's not a bad time to buy in regards to, you might be able to not have to pay over ask because there's less buyer demand, and you may be able to get more, concessions from the seller. If you're trying to move to a newer home, it may make it be easier to do that. Then come next year, if the rates do drop, could be a little more hectic and stuff like that, where some offers may not even get considered. So just wanted to kind of give you a flip side of, the pros and cons, or the consequences in each market, and hope that helps make your decision. If you have any questions, if you want me to look at anything and say, hey, what are your thoughts on this? Feel free to give me a call. Let me know. All right. Bye, everyone.